I'm 𝗬𝗏 𝗏, a recognized thought leader in the Microsoft Dynamics community and a Microsoft MVP for business applications. Welcome to the Get Your New View podcast. Keep listening to learn how we work with frustrated Business Central and NAV users who struggle to use their system and find the answers that they need. We teach them to truly understand how the system can support their business processes to make immediate and lasting improvements. As a result, they get more done in less time, make better business decisions, and even love their system.
I'm going to hand things over to Jan to talk about how to use the Microsoft Release Planner. We thought it would be a good idea to show you guys where we go for this information, first of all, and some of the best tips and tricks to be able to find information on the Microsoft Release Planner as you're doing your own due diligence about what's coming up in new releases.
Welcome to how to use the Microsoft Release Planner. In this short demo, I'm going to focus on showing you how to view the Business Central release plans. But keep in mind that there are a number of other release plans you can view in the Release Planner, such as Power Platform and various Dynamics 365 topics. Okay, let's get started. To view Microsoft Release Planner, we'll first go to releaseplans.microsoft.com, and then we'll log in the top right of the screen. Once you've logged in, you can select Dynamics 365 from the left menu, and then select Business Central. Up at the top, you'll see two tabs, one called All Release Plans and another called My Release Plans. All release plans are categorized into three different topics: Planned, Coming Soon, and Try Now. Planned are features included in upcoming release plans. Coming Soon are the features available in the current month. And finally, Try Now are the features that have recently been released. All topics list the number of features that are included in the release plans. For example, Planned currently has 18 upcoming features. Coming Soon has 13, and Try Now has 71 new features. Let's look at all release plans first. There are 5 different categories: Application, Copilot and AI Innovation, Country and Regional, Governance and Administration, and Legislation. These may change as release plans are added here. You can expand and collapse the categories by clicking on the blue arrow. The release plans are listed for each category. To view more information about a specific plan, click on the blue arrow to the far right of the topic you're interested in. Additional information is displayed. There are a few things you can do from here. Share by copying the link when you click on the Share button. Learn More will provide you with more information. On the far right, you can see timelines, which release wave it will be included in, and who it will be enabled for. If this release is something you want to track, click on the blue plus sign. You're prompted to confirm that you want to add this feature to your release plan. Click on the Add button. The trash bin icon indicates that the release plan has been added to your plans. You can use this icon to remove it from your release plan. To view your release plans, begin by clicking on My Release Plans. What you'll see right away is that we have no results. And this is because we also have to choose the category for the release plan that we've saved here. So if you see on the left-hand side, you'll see Dynamics 365 and Business Central. Once we select that, you'll now see the release plan that I've added to my release plans. If you decide that this isn't a release plan that you want in your release plans, you can simply click on the red trash bin. To go back to All Release Plans, we'll once again click on the All Release Plans tab at the top. And again, what you need to make sure is that you actually select Business Central from the list. This will ensure that you're looking at the correct release plans. If we click on Coming Soon, you can see that there are a number of different items here. So now, rather than just having 5 categories, we have 7. And you'll see that one of them is in My Release Plans, which is indicated by the red trash bin icon. Clicking on Try Now also shows you a different list of categories. So here we have 10. Again, clicking on the arrow will expand that particular category. It'll show you all the different release plans under the category. If we return to Planned, you'll see that I'm back to my 5 categories. Now I can do a couple of things. On the top right, I see this icon here, which allows me to filter or sort. So I can actually select any of these and apply them to sort the items in my list. If I click on the icon next to that, this will actually organize them based on a release date. So here you can see I've got January 2025, February, March, and June. So again, that's another way of looking at the various releases that are planned in upcoming months. Definitely take some time to explore Microsoft release plans on your own to see what you can find and what's of interest to you.
Fantastic. So hopefully that little quick tour helped you out with understanding exactly what we do at NewView as far as using the Microsoft Release Planner.
Did your team ever really get good training to understand how to use your business software? Do you think you could use more features of your software if you just knew how? Are you frustrated with inefficiency that never seems to get better? Do you suspect that there just has to be a better way, but you don't know what that is? We believe every company can benefit from increased efficiency and higher utilization of their software, and that it's possible to have fun while learning exactly how to do that. The experts at NewView Strategies work with frustrated Business Central and NAV users who struggle to use their system and find the answers they need. We teach them to truly understand how the system can support their business processes to make immediate and lasting improvements. As a result, they get more done in less time, make better decisions, and even love their system. Please contact us at getyournewview.com to get started.